Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's going to be a small one. I was only able to get one item at this auction. Or one lot, I guess you could say. Because I saw it last minute. And then we decided to go to the zoo while the auction was going on. So I kind of wasn't able to do my research like I usually do. So there was one item that I know was a steal, so I got it. But anyway, so here we go. This is be a short video since there's only one. I guess it's more than one item, but it's I was thinking there were six of them, I was thinking. But anyway, let me get these out of the box. Yeah, here's the invoice. Let me make sure. Yeah, so it's 6 Lionel trains, O-scale train cars, and more. And I paid $86. And then shipping was another $20, I think. But yeah, 6 train cars. There's... Oh, okay. I didn't realize there was 1, 2... There's four in this package. I didn't realize that. I thought that was just 2. But there's 4. And then there's 2 here. So let's get these open, as you can kind of get a sneak peek of Winston's. So that's pretty neat. Alright, so I'm going to do this. Flip this box over. Alright. Let me zoom out a little bit. I wouldn't want to tear up the bubble wrap. Yeah, so these are all O scale and O27 gauge. So we've got the Winstons. These are pretty neat. See, they were at one point, somebody was trying to sell it for $36. I'm not really sure what these are worth because I didn't have time to sliding around in there a little bit. I didn't have time to research them, but we'll look and see. That's pretty nice, vintage. And then this is really what I saw, and when I saw this, I was like, okay, it's worth it, because, and I'm not 100% sure, I had just one of these that was probably from the 50s, I guess. This isn't that old. This is 70s or 80s probably. But just one of these green cars without the top on it. No, I had 2. I had 2 cars. They said Lionel lines on them. One didn't have the top, one did. So I got them at that very first auction I ever went to. And didn't really know. I know people were selling the top for like $5 and whatnot. But anyway, I threw it online for $25, I think. $30. I don't remember. Anyways, it sold in like 5 minutes. It was gone. So I'm betting that even though these aren't as old, they should sell pretty well. And the Winstons too. But I'll have to look them up. I never did have time to do research. But that's the first 2. Alright, we got 4 in here. Another one of these are obviously older, you can tell. One of these was that pickle car, and I've seen it before, and it goes for a pretty good amount. So let's get this open. Without messing anything up. Let's see. What does this go to? 145C contactor for connecting wires and instruction set. Okay. I'm not sure what this goes to. Automatic accessories. Okay. Well, there's nothing in there. I don't know what this is. We'll find out. Alright. And this is... Let's see... Does it say anywhere? No. It doesn't say on the box. Well, it says this. So... let's take it out and see. Alright, so there's a price tag on it. This is just a gondola. I'm guessing because it's spun around the way it is. Maybe unrun. It's pretty, well, no, this one's... yeah, never mind. But anyway... just a New York City vintage, New York Central, I mean. Pretty good shape. Box is missing the end tab. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. And like I said, I didn't get a chance to look what these are actually worth, but, you know, I think for $100 it'd be worth it. And this one is a tank car, number 6555. This box is in pretty good shape. And somebody was selling this one for $42. I'm guessing it didn't sell since it ended up at the auction. But yeah, it's a Sunoco gas car, vintage. Pretty neat. O scale. In pretty good shape. There's some scratches and stuff here and there. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. The thing's heavy too. It's all metal. Not plastic or anything. That's pretty nice. I'll have to get these stickers off of them. Get this back in the box without messing anything up. Oh. You fell right through. Hold on. Let me do this off camera. Alright, so 655-9. That's a variant. Alright. See what we got next. 646225. Let's see, American Toys. This is just a gondola car. just a gondola car. I'm assuming whatever was supposed to be on it is long gone. But if you have what was supposed to go on it and not the car, here you go. There's some paint missing, but pretty good shape for its age. Put this back in there. That one did not fall through. The box is in alright shape. Old tape on it. Alright, and this one, I believe, is the pickle car. Nope, Missouri Pacific boxcar. Number 6464. I'm pretty sure I remember there being a pickle car. But maybe not. Maybe that was a different one. Oh yeah, this is one of the merchandise services cars. I've seen these go for a pretty good amount. They had $42 on it. But yeah, in pretty good shape. Almost looks unrun almost. There's some scratches and stuff. But overall, it's in really good quality. But anyway, I think that's a pretty good pickup for $86 plus like 20 something in shipping. I can't really remember, so just say $100 all in. That's a pretty good pickup. Should be able to make some good money on that. But anyways, I guess that's going to do it for today's video. There's another auction coming up that I was looking at, so we should keep buying and going, getting more stuff, doing more unboxings and whatnot. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get these listed on eBay, and I will see you in the next unboxing.